What in what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we got to give a big shout out to this light bar company. They have sent us a light bar to test on the rammer here. Now, I'm sure the first question you guys are going to ask, Eddie, whoa, what kind of bracket? So I just told them, you know, let's try the light bar out. We're going to make our own brackets. Well, we already did. Where's the bracket, Spence?
Did
you put them in there? Okay, but big shout out to this company right here, Colight. So thank you, I appreciate that, guys. They have sent this, but let me show you the brackets that we were talking about over here. So this side right here, I mean, it's pretty much an L. See that L bracket right there? So this is pretty much an L we trimmed out. This one, it's sort of like a hook. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. It's an L, but we had to trim in here. See this? Trim that. So this is just an L bracket. And they fit. Well, we think. We haven't bolted it, actually.
Not yet.
Yeah, so this one, guys, is going to bolt up. Now, this one is just a single light. It doesn't have any strobes or any switches or anything like that. But it is a combo light. So it's got a spot and a flood option on there. So once we're all done with this, we'll head outside and see what this bad boy looks like. But while Spence is putting this together, I will show you guys a new addition. You guys asked me, you watched my Instagram. Don't forget, if you're not following, make sure you go follow me at Eddie's Life. Link will be down in the description and you'll see it, bam, right there. And before we start this video, guys, do not forget every $5 spent on the Get Super website. And remember, you got a chance. But before you buy it, make sure you put Eddie's Life 15 when you purchase this. And as soon as you purchase some of my coffee, it enters you in a chance to win one of 3 of these cars. This one and the other 2 colors that are available. It is going to end at the end of this month. So come May 30th, boom, it's gonna end. And then, you know, we'll figure out, depending on how long it takes to take all the orders, generate them through the computer. The computer will do just a random, you know, pick a name. But make sure you put Eddie's Life 15 discount code. So make sure that you make sure that you are entered in the giveaway for the Napa RC cars. Bam! Here it is, guys. Check it out. So it is a Jet 20-inch drill press. It's called their 20-inch model drill press here, and this thing is pretty awesome. I must say, you know, when you want pristine, precise, perfection holes, right here, get yourself a Jet. And yes, where do we get it from? Napa. The number 1 stop, guys. County Motor Parts, aka Napa. Bam, right there. You guys know everything that you guys asked me. Eddie, where did you get it from? Oh, drop some of your bolts there, Spence. I get all from Napa, guys. And don't worry, the website will be out soon for the Napa store, the County Motor Parts store. So you can go on that website and you can order. I understand it's taking a little time right now. I didn't realize how difficult it is to make a website. I don't know how to make it, but I guess it's pretty difficult. It takes some time. And I haven't even told you guys about this. This is a little sneak peek. So this is another product we got coming. Well, I got a lot of things coming for you guys. There's a lot of huge stuff, big things coming. So, but this stuff right here, maybe some of you guys might know it. Some of you guys don't know it, but we got it coming in all of the stores. I guess this is like a Simple Green on steroids, if you guys want to call it. So what I'm gonna do, though, is not on this channel, on the other channel. Make sure you go follow Eddie's product review. I'm gonna be testing all these products. This SC14, the Simple Green, the Super Clean, the what's the other purple bottle?
Purple Power.
Purple Power. There you go. I'm gonna be testing the Purple Power, and you know, I'm gonna put some oil on the floor, and we're gonna put oil in different places, and we're gonna check it out. You know, put some on a motor. I don't know. Put some degreaser. I will say I did use this stuff. This SC14 is pretty crazy because you spray it on the floor and then it started turning like this purple or white color. It was nuts. And I've never seen Super Clean, Purple Power, or Simple Green, with my ultimate favorite, do any of that. So I'm very excited to test this specific product against these other ones and see how good it cleans. And yes, guys, you will have to remove these hooks. We had to loosen them. I do know that, I think it's, I don't remember if it's rigid. I don't remember if it's rigid or not, but they do make a light bar for the Ram with this bracket, but it's, you know, it's probably gonna be a little pricey for that bar. Oh, and we had to trim a little bit right there on this tow hook, just a wee bit. We just took the plasma cutter and that's it. And well, luckily, I'm never gonna tow anything with this thing, so don't pull nobody out. So we'll have no issues. These are, I guess, mainly for looks for
yeah,
us
and if you do, just make sure you use the left one, Eddie. You know?
Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know how. I don't know. It's probably not gonna be that durable, but luckily, I mean, there's the rammer right here. We use this rammer anyways. And bam, guys, look at that. Oh my goodness, this thing is bright. Let me come on this side. Wow, this light bar is bright. We're not done yet. We still gotta button everything up, but this is what it looks like, or what it's going to look like when it's all done. Look at that. Dang, that thing is bright. Look at that, guys. It is done. Now I know you're probably wondering, well, Eddie, you didn't show us, you know, brackets or anything. Well, guys, that's because it was a kind of a nightmare, and we spent hours trying to make a custom bracket, and what we came up with was, well, I had some brackets laying around in the garage, and you can see that where, I mean, it's not bad, you know, you can't tell really, but we cut some brackets that I had here, and just, I would do this, guys, if you're going to purchase a light bar. They have tons of brackets. Our mistake was, you know, we just got the light bar. We mainly wanted to get the light bar, just test the light bar out. Didn't want to wait, so we just said, you know, let's just throw it on and make our own brackets. That's why I didn't show you guys an install, because there was no actual step. But the switch, I'll show you where we stuck the switch, is we just drilled a little hole, and bada bing, bada boom. Right here's the switch. So you flip that. There's your indicator on, off. You can see here. Bam. Now I will show you, we'll wait till it gets dark, obviously, so I can show you guys how it works. But so the switch is there. A lot of people on these Rams, I've seen them, you know, a ton of people run them here, up top here. It's, you know, I guess they're doing it there because this one does not have the auxiliary switches. So if you don't have the aux switches, then you can, you know, I've seen people mount them under there, under here. I mean, wherever is more comfortable for you guys. So stuck it right there. Bam. In the Duramax, you guys remember I had them all in the cubby, in the little compartment in there. And I had the red for all the lights, the green for, you know, the pump the diesel, and the blue for the strobe lights that were inside. But this is done, complete. So we'll wait till it gets dark, and we'll flip the lights on. All right, guys, it is officially, well, you can see here, nighttime. So, well, go ahead, bust that bad boy on. Turn to the bar.
You want to get blind?
Let's see the bar. Okay, so I am now behind it, and he's gonna hit the light bar. Go ahead. Wow, that thing's bright. Turn it off. Turn it on. Look how wide that shoots. That's insane. Look at that. That makes my garage look good over there. Well, check it out, guys. If you are interested, I'm going to put the link down in the description for you guys. Oh my goodness, this thing is insane. So this is a, I don't know if I told you, but it's a flood and spot combo. So you can see how it's pretty much up there as a spot, and it's flooding, I mean, this entire area. Look at all this. So that's pretty awesome, dude. Wow, I can't even walk. Try to walk in front of it. Here, I'm blind, and see if you guys can see like the view, what it looks like inside. There you go. See that? Bam. I mean, for 120 bucks, guys, yeah, that's worth it to me. I mean, I got in this rammer right here a little 20-inch Baja design, and you know, this thing's bright, it works awesome too, but for the price, the bang for your buck, that light is, you know, plenty. I mean, this Baja design light, well, you guys know how much they're kind of ridiculously priced. And I have a lot of companies that send me light bars, a ton. You can see them down here. And you're probably wondering, well, Eddie, why haven't you made videos? I do. I don't post them because I give the company a chance to fix the flaw. And they're, I'm not gonna say lie, but some of these companies will say, oh, this is, you know, so-and-so brightness, or this is so-and-so. Well, like when I turn it on, you can see some of the bulbs would be faded, or it'll be just so dim, like my flashlight is brighter. So, and again, when I make a video for you guys, I'm not going to advertise for a company I don't believe in. So that's why I have so many light bars over there, and that's why you've probably, I think, only seen maybe 2, because No offense to those companies, but they have just not been up to my standards or the standards I would like to let you guys know. You know, you can, you know, I mean, there's tons out there. You can look on Amazon, guys. You can look, I mean, everybody now has light bars. This company, I was very surprised when I turned it on. Comes with a wiring harness. I mean, 120 bucks for a 32-inch light bar. That's a pretty damn good deal. So, you know, it's worth it, the bang for your buck. The brightness, the durability, you know, it wasn't like some of these you tap and it's like, it sounds like hollow, like plastic, like it's made so cheap. This one was actually handmade, you know, good quality. You can hear it sounded durable, felt durable. It was a very heavy light. You know, some of these you grab and you're like, man, it's like empty. There's nothing in the thing. You know, you could tell by the look, you could tell by the craftsmanship of it, the weight of it, you know, quality between like some cheap brand that someone just threw on in their backyard or something and didn't work. But I will put the link down in the description for you guys if you want to purchase it, check it out. But that's all I got for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.